Alright, so we will create the login form. So to start out with, we're just gonna create the card and the row to do that, and while we're doing that, I'll just type it in here. I'm at the moment trying to do voiceover instead to avoid the. So let's start out by making the flags and justify it to centrum, and then we can go in and basically add in input element, and first one is just going to be the login, which is username and or email. Alright, beside that, let's add in a class to the card element so it will work perfectly fine. I've just copy and paste the box card in there, so now let's go in and create the script tag. In the script tag, we are gonna add in the name of the component, and then we're gonna bind them to the view via the data entry. So let's start out with creating the login one, which again is just gonna be login, and then it's gonna be equal to nothing. And then we're gonna add in here my V model, and then we are later on gonna use the password one, which we're just gonna add in now. But first we need to create the password field, obviously, and let's do that. Alright, so to create the password field, we're just gonna go in and enter your password, and then we're gonna go in and add in show password in just a second. And that's why I didn't type password. So let's just go in and add show password, and then we can go in and put in the labels in a bit. Alright, so what we've done for now is we want to add in the label here, which I'm then going to go in and write it around and maybe just with a little bit more line in the code, and then we're going to go in and do the same for the password. And we're also going to add in the form element as well. So we start out by adding the form element up here, and then we are going to go in and now add in the label, which is element form item with the label text in. Alright, so let's write this inside a form object, the login and the password binding, and just format the document. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to create a form item element for the button, and then we are going to just add in this primary, and as well go in and add in the text login, and then that should be all for now. Alright, as you can see here, we have a form element. At the moment there's a bit issue with typing, so we are basically just going to go in and fix it here because we need to bind it differently. So let's go and do that. But first let's go in and add some marking to the box element, so we'll go a bit further down. I'll just test it out in the browser first to see what is the ideal marking type we need to make it look nice. So we forgot to add in the password to the B model there, so I'm just going to add it, and then as well we just need to do a few other changes before it will work properly. So as you can see, it doesn't type it, and that's because we need to add in dot login, sorry, dot form password, and then disable again. So let's go over to the other ones, and when we have done that, this should all be working perfectly fine. So now we should be able to basically type something and buffer them, and you're going to type password, and you will click the shield password button there. So nothing obviously happens if you